or a used car. I don't like the color of that. I'm going to get
Okay.
take it down to Schwab or whatever,
Hmm.
It's the same thing, but it's all a matter of taste. Let's see. This is a real thick, heavy Tonto.
Oh wow! Look at that. That's my finger for.
Oh yeah. So but it's a really nice piece. It was made in the 1800s, so it's not super old as Japanese swords go, but the quality is good. It's signed, and it's, let's see, does this have certification? This is not certified yet. It hasn't been sent to a judgment or certification.
Okay.
Let's see, this is a Tonto that's signed. It's a wedding Tonto.
Wow.
Wedding Tontos are sort of a tradition in Japan.
I did not know
The bride's
that.
family, her father usually would give her a Tonto when she got married, and its symbolic purpose was to protect her against her new in-laws.
Yeah. Oh wow.
And, but it's a Japanese tradition.
The in-law Tonto.
There you go.
Oh, that's great.
Something that she could carry in her sleeve if she needed to protect herself against her new family.
Oh wow.
But
The in-law Tonto.
Yeah, and this you can tell is a wedding Tonto because on one side of the Tonto it has a family crest, and on the other side is a different family crest. So those are the two families that
joined together.
married
Yeah.
together were joined in the marriage.
That is amazing.